Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain how to set up your first zeely ads campaign. So to set up your first zeely ads campaign, to get started with your first zeely ad campaign, log into the zeely platform and click on the option to create a new ad. So zeely begin by asking for some basic details about your business, like your industry, what you sell, and what your campaign's goal is, like for sales or website visitors or a brand awareness. So once that's filled in, zeely AI gets to work generating ad creative tailored to answer. Then you will upload your product photos, videos, or choose from the template. Then the media zeelys provide. The platform automatically suggests the copy, including headlines, description, and call to action button, like shop now or learn more. So you can edit this suggestion if you want, or just go with zeely's creative. So next, you will select the platform where your ads should be run, such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, or let zeely automatically choose based on your goal. Then set your daily or total budget. So zeely use the budget to automatically manage ads delivery and optimize for best performance. So finally, you can choose either to launch your ads right away or schedule it later. So once you hit your publish, zeely send the ads to your selected platform and start tracking performance automatically, making real-time adjustments to get the best result for your spend.